Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today we'll be looking at an ultra sleek LCD monitor with a setup as easy as 1, 2, 3. Introducing the Dahua Commercial LCD Monitor. Here's the product box of the commercial LCD monitor. You can see the model number here. Its dimensions are 572 millimeters by 390 millimeters by 106 millimeters and weighs 3.5 kilograms. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, it includes an HDMI cable, power adapter, power cable, and the legal information booklet. There's also a base and stand for the monitor. Underneath that is the monitor itself. These are all the contents within the box. Now let me show you how easy it is to set this monitor up. What did I tell you? Easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's highlight some amazing features the Dahua LCD monitor has. With its ultra-narrow bezel and FHD resolution, the commercial LCD monitor provides a better viewing experience. The ultra-thin design gives it an elegant appearance. Say goodbye to discomfort with flexible tilt adjustment. Check out these other awesome features. This sleek, ultra-thin commercial LCD monitor is easy to assemble and a gorgeous addition to any home or office setting. It also comes in multiple sizes. To learn more about this product, you can check out our official website. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.